Hello, today I'm going to show you how to drive a Pedelec like this here. This is a Grundig Pedelec, and but the thread is nearly the same on nearly every Pedelec out there. The first step is you have to watch that the battery is, of course, full charged. This is the best way, of course, because then you can ride a long time. To reach that goal, you have to reload your battery. You have the most Pedelecs, you have two options of that. The first option is we are reloading the battery while the battery is installed in the frame of your Pedelec. Some Pedelecs comes with a frame on the frame, the back side, there's the battery, or other on this area here, but the Grundig has it on this area. This is the best way, of course, because then the force is in the center. Here it is. Yeah, you will need recharge power supply for this, and then you can recharge it while the battery is installed. For this, you have to unlock the weather cover and then dock your battery recharger into position. And if it is green light shown, then the battery is full recharged. Okay, then you can unplug this and get back the cover in position. The second way to reload your battery system is if you remove the battery itself from your frame. For this you will need this kind of keys, and then you can remove the battery. Here it is, that's the battery pack, and here you can see you can recharge this battery on this area here. Okay, in this case there's an information. If you push on it, you have RGB. That means you can choose and look how full the battery will be if you push on the button. To recharge this separately, you can dock it into position here and reload it until it's full. You come back and you can reinstall the battery again. For this, you slide the battery back in position and then you lock it. Okay, that's the first thing, power supply. Power supply, good job. The next thing we have to look before we start our journey, that our Pedelec is ready for start off. Let's start at the front side. We are going to see that the front light is in line with the way. Then, of course, you have to look the pressure of the tire itself. Is it enough? Okay. And you have a look to the brake system. Look that the brake disc is not damaged, and that way we looked at the front, we performed the same on the back side. Look at the brake system, that the brake disc isn't damaged anymore. The same at the back side, look that there is enough pressure in your tires, and then we are ready to go with it. Before you start, have a look that the brake system is well working. For this, we are pulling the lever of the brake, and then we check if it is braking anymore. It's good. The front side the same. Take it and try to move the Pedelec. If it does not work because you pull the brake, everything is fine. And then, of course, you can start your journey. One thing you should have to look is there light on your Pedelec? For this, start, in this case it's a Bafang engine, so we start the computer of Bafang, and then we can push the plus button until we see in the screen the lightning. And if you look now here, okay, it's shining. The back side, we have to look, okay, everything is fine. And then we can start to ride the bike.